Alright, we have a Rheem Classic series here. The install wasn't done the best. This isn't even held on anymore on both sides. And then you also have the drive. Here's the data and the sticker right there. It's a pretty good unit. I don't even know when it's from. I didn't read the data. I'll read it for a second. Let's see. 2007, March of 2007. So it's almost 12 years old. So it's a solid unit. Alright, so apparently the air handler is right down here.
Here's the air handler right here. Oh, light's already on. Perfect.
Well, and a Rheem Performance water heater.
Oh yeah, Rheem Classic. I think it's, yeah, no. Honestly, 36,000 BTUs, what does it say? It's kind of rusted too. I'm assuming the evaporator's here.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's got a pump too. Oh wait, I just realized, why does this connect? No, the evaporator's definitely here.
Yeah.
And then it connects to
Yeah, because there's where the
oh,
filter
you know
probably
what?
is.
They connect this to that pan that's in the water heater,
Yeah,
so
because
they
you
can
can't
drain
put-
it.
yeah.
Drains the same way.
Makes sense.
Whatever this is.
Oh, it messes it. It's for like rubber. Oh, there's
Oh,
probably
there's actually like holes through here for like a value side.
So they probably just reused the same thing and just stuck stickers on the classics.
Yeah.
There's the install manual for it.
Oh hey. It's actually
We have a
on, and it just shut off.
Washer. What's it doing? It's probably spinning. So I don't know. I don't really look at these much. There's the Whirlpool manual
Oh, you know
booklet
what?
there
I'm sure
too.
there's a Rheem right out there.
And then we have the
Oh, yeah, the Rheem.
GE 5-cycle automatic dryer.
Yeah.
Box here. You can actually see
And then
where
they
the
just like,
original was.
and then they just slap it down like that. Nice. Laziness.
Like, there's even a hose right there. It goes here. Like, I don't feel like that's a great install. And then they have it just go here.
Oh, you can see the capacitor. Wait, what? Of course. They didn't even, when they changed the capacitor, they didn't put the capacitor where it belongs. Remember, we did ours and there's supposed to be a capacitor. Ooh, what are you doing? Stop. What the heck?
Your phone's haunted. I think it's because of me. Pretty sure I'm followed.
Oh, there's the reversing valve. I think. I can't see it. Can you see it in there?
Yep.
That's not the reversing valve.
No back there, you can see it.
Actually, I think it's right there.
There's the clip. Which, of course, the one I find is like scratched.
I can get a good look at the compressor side. It turns on right now. I'm over here, I swear. I'm gonna jump. They got a tab right up on it. Of course they do.
Inside's all filled with leaves right now.
Of course it is. Sure, they can't take off the cover.
Yeah.
Oh, good.